think Mr. Srinivasan has had his way at this meeting?
I would say that Mr. Jaitley has had his way in this meeting.
Was he the one pulling most of the strings and the most influential member?
He was the one who was, most of the suggestions and proposals came from him, including appointment of Mr. Dalmia.
You were the first person to raise the objection of anyone suggesting that Mr. Srinivasan should just step aside. You wanted him to categorically resign. Is that correct?
That's absolutely correct.
In the meeting, people might not have recorded that in their, in the minutes of the meeting, but did people at that point in time support you?
Nobody said so. If they supported me, they were whispering, but they didn't have the guts to speak out.
So it was only one person in you who asked for Srinivasan's resignation,
Yes,
nobody else?
nobody else.
Did Mr.
Srinivasan speak and tell the members that he's not resigning?
He said he is not resigning and there is no reason for him to resign. He is stepping aside for 1 month. Jaitley said don't lay down the time limit of 1 month. Inquiry may take 6 weeks or 8 weeks. Till the inquiry is complete. I raised the question, what about the investigation? Investigation is more important. Mr. Jaitley said there is no need of waiting for the investigation to be over.
But it's a complete sham is what people are saying as a board member. What do you react to that? Because Srinivasan has...
I won't use the word sham, but I'll say that this is not going to satisfy the public. We think we are taking public of India for a ride, the billion-strong supporters of Indian cricket. If we want to restore the confidence of the public, it needed something more than that.
What?
Which I said minimum was, I suggested that let him step down till September. If he is...
what did Mr. Srinivasan say to that?
He says he is not going to resign.
But is there any way in the constitution where he can just step aside and just...
Sorry?
Is there any provision for it to step aside?
No, there is no provision.
So then how is this allowed?
This is unconstitutional. They know it's unconstitutional.
Even this meeting was unconstitutional.
Even the meeting was unconstitutional. Mr. Jaitley said we'll get it ratified subsequently.
But has it been ratified?
Subsequently, after 1 year or 2 years in SDM, when it becomes meaningless.
But it's a question of what if someone goes in the court and files a case against are you considering anything?
No, I'll go in the court of public opinion, not in the court of... I don't believe in court of law. These battles are fought in the court of public opinion.
But why didn't the BCCI members really push for the resignation of Mr. Srinivasan? Are there not enough...
Ask the members. No, they were all, majority of people who are feeling that he should resign, but they didn't have... Either they lack expression or they lack confidence.
But you're saying this on based on what? Because you're saying that,
based on what they were telling me at lunch and what they were telling after the meeting.
So what happened before and what happened after? Because before...
You ask the members.
So nobody recorded your when you wanted Srinivasan to resign. Nobody seconded your nobody.
No, you gave the opinion individually. There is no voting on every issue. People speak out. So there are 4 people speaking. Rest didn't open their mouth.
Totally 4 speakers only. Yeah, are you happy with Mr. Dalmia coming on?
No, I have no complaint about Mr. Dalmia coming in. He is an experienced administrator. But I am not happy with the system, the way he has been brought in. Through an illegal maneuvering and extra constitution.
You should not have accepted it then.
I told him you shouldn't accept. He says, I told him in the meeting, Mr. Dalmia, first Mr. Jaitley's name was proposed. I said, Mr. Jaitley, you as a leader of opposition will be embarrassed beyond. I am going to tell the media that this is illegal. And Mr. Jaitley immediately said, I will not accept at any cost and proposed Mr. Dalmia.
And who supported him? Anurag Thakur supported him?
No. Anurag Thakur, Rajiv Shukla.
He also proposed Niranjan Shah and Dalmia. What about 2 names he proposed?
Mr. Jaitley? Yeah. No.
So when the majority of the members...
No. He said Mr. Dalmia and Mr. Niranjan Shah will take the consensus of the members.
Okay.
But then Srinivasan said there is no need, Mr. Dalmia is good enough.
When you told Dalmia not to take it up, what was his reply?
He says, why run away from a responsibility in the interest of the...
But if all the members were against, majority of the opinion was against Mr. Srinivasan, they were asking for him to resign, then what really made all the members...
No, I wouldn't say they were against it. I'm saying they expressed their opinion in private at lunch. But they didn't openly say anything.
Right.
Maybe because Jaitley and Rajiv Shukla proposed this solution and they thought opposing them would be difficult. I don't know.
Did Mr. Srinivasan at any point in time apologize to the working committee meeting for the embarrassment that his family might have caused cricket in India? Yeah?
No, not to my knowledge.
So who are the four persons in the ICC now? When you're saying that Mr. Srinivasan is going to step aside and there will be an interim president, who exactly will represent the Indian Cricket Board internationally?
I suppose if there is a meeting of ICC for within a month, Mr. Dalmia will go. No, he will not continue.
He will not continue as director, you're saying?
No, he will not perform any function of president.
Is it for 1 month? Is it for
1 month?
duration of the inquiry?
1 month or 6 weeks. So he said 1 month the inquiry. Mr. Jaitley said, don't make it rigid. It may take 4 weeks or 6 weeks.
So what's the final consensus?
Final consensus is till the inquiry report is given.
Okay, so terms and conditions that Mr. Srinivasan has said have been accepted. Any terms and conditions?
No.
No, okay. Who are the persons? Did Mr. Srinivasan in any way address you, the entire working committee meeting, and say that, this is a tough situation for all of us, and the least I can do is probably, I will not resign, and the maximum I can do is just step aside.
Yes.
He said that?
He said he will step aside, but not resign at any cost.
So who are the persons who spoke on record?
Do you think this meeting will stand legality just because they did not follow the 72 hours and things?
No, the meeting, no, I am not going to challenge on the basis of legality. As I said, I am going into the court of public opinion and not in the court of law.
So who are the persons who actually spoke on record other than you?
Mr. Jaitley, Mr. Ravi Sawant.
He said that the meeting is illegal.
No.
He said me.
No, Mr. Ravi Sawant said that the meeting is illegal. Is that right?
Yeah.
Why did he say that, and did he elaborate on that?
It said because notice is inadequate. Nobody officially asked other than me.
What was your point when you asked for the resignation? What was your point? Why do you want to? Nobody officially.
I said it won't satisfy the public.
So you asked for his resignation?
I asked categorically for his resignation. I said it will not satisfy the public opinion. If you want to restore the confidence, he said it's not public, it's a media. I said no, media is reflecting what public of India thinks.
So you're saying Srinivasan is accusing the media of all that's happening?
I am not. Don't put words in my mouth. I said what I have said on record.
Right.
I said media is not hounding. Media is reflecting what public opinion in India is saying.